Alright guys, welcome back. Happy weekend. It's Friday. Hopefully Friday's your weekend, but today another easy day. Really easy week actually. Was hanging these door magnet boxes. First I finished up the vanity lights. As you can see, we got the vanity lights, finished up the last 4 vanity lights. Then I went around and did these door magnets. So I think that's straight. So went around and did the door magnets, mag locks or whatever you want to call them. So the door opens up and then it'll have a magnet there to hold it open. So there's a few different styles I did. That one was the metal spreader bar style. Then on the other side of the wall, had to cut like 5 of these in. That wasn't too bad. I usually don't like doing it, but I actually did a pretty good job on most of these. So I did that one with the adjustable box, and then there's a third style. Just a nail-on box right there. I didn't use any metal bracket boxes, so anyways, that was most of my day. And then the last part of my day, I went around and started drilling the holes above the doors again for the home runs. But I only actually needed 1 because these only have about 6 circuits in it, so 1 hole is good enough. But I accidentally did 2 because that's what all the other floors used, because they were like 14 wires or 12 home runs or whatever. So anyways, I'm doing 1 hole now for the rest of the hallways and all the other rooms. So it's about gonna wrap up my day. Hope you guys had a good week. I did a live stream last night as I was driving to do some side work. About 5 people stopped in, which was incredible. I only expected hopefully 1 or 2, but I got 5, and I was just really excited about that. So if you want to catch a live stream sometime, if I do want to do that again, so if you want to be notified, definitely hit that notification bell. I've never said that before in my life. It's cringy, but that's basically the only way to know that I'm live streaming, or if you're just randomly on YouTube. So hit the notification bell if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you're new. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for the support, guys. But thanks for stopping by regardless. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great weekend, and maybe I'll update you guys on Sunday on my side work project for the hot tub. So catch you guys later. Peace.